Alright, let's unbox the Nikon Z6 III together. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. First impression, this box feels premium and sturdy. Opening it up, you get that signature Nikon packaging. Here's the camera body, super compact and ergonomic. It feels solid, yet surprisingly lightweight in my hand. The grip is deep, really comfortable for long shoots. Let's check out the design. Classic Nikon, but modern. You've got dual card slots right here for flexibility. Flip-out touchscreen, perfect for vlogging and low angles. USB power delivery means I can shoot and charge. Now let's power it up and see the interface. The menu is intuitive, easy to navigate, super responsive. Let's talk about the EVF. Wow, insanely bright and sharp. 4000 nits max brightness. No glare, even outdoors. 5760K dot resolution. Details are crisp, colors are vibrant. 120 FPS refresh rate. Motion looks buttery smooth. DCI P3 color gamut. Accurate, lifelike color reproduction. Let's test autofocus. Focuses instantly, even in low light. Deep learning subject detection is next level accurate. It picks up faces, animals, vehicles. No hunting, no misses. AF works down to 10 EV. Insane for night shooting. 20% faster than the previous Z6 II. Noticeably snappier. Now, let's try continuous shooting. Hold down the shutter. 120 frames per second. That's wild for action shots. Shutter speed up to 116,000 ps. Freeze any moment. Perfect for sports, wildlife, or fast-moving subjects. Let's switch to video. This is where it shines. 6K/60p internal RAW recording. Cinematic quality, right in camera. Oversampled 4K UHD plus 4K 120p for slow motion. Full HD 240p, get those dramatic 10x slow motion shots. High-res zoom lets you punch in digitally, no loss. Line-in audio and pro monitoring tools, serious filmmaker features. Flexible color grading with N-Log and creative presets. Connect wirelessly to the Nikon imaging cloud, so convenient. Download creative color presets straight to the camera. Customize your look in NX Studio. Upload as custom picture control. ISO range is massive, 100 to 64,000, expandable to 204,800. Clean, detailed images even in challenging lighting. Built-in stabilization keeps handheld shots steady and sharp. Let's check image transfer. Instant wireless to my phone. Cloud backup is seamless, no more lost files. Battery life is solid, even when shooting 6K video. Dual card slots mean backup and overflow peace of mind. Build quality, robust, weather-sealed, ready for tough environments. I love the tactile dials and customizable buttons. Flip-out screen is great for self-shooting and reviews. Menus are fast, no lag, everything just works. Let's try a quick portrait. Autofocus locks instantly. Skin tones look natural. Bokeh is creamy and smooth. Switching to landscape, dynamic range is impressive. Details in highlights and shadows are well preserved. Let's push it in low light, still super clean. Minimal noise, sharp details, colors stay true. Now a fast-moving subject. Every frame is tack sharp. The camera keeps up with every burst, no buffer issues. For video, focus transitions are smooth and cinematic. Audio monitoring is precise, no guesswork on sound levels. In-camera RAW video gives maximum flexibility in post. High-res zoom is perfect for tight shots without swapping lenses. Wireless workflow saves time. Shoot, edit, share instantly. If you're a pro photographer or videographer, this is a game changer. Content creators will love the versatility and ease of use. If you need fast, reliable autofocus, this camera delivers. If you shoot in tough light, the ISO range is unbeatable. If you want cinematic video, 6K RAW is a dream. For action, sports, or wildlife, 120 FPS is a huge advantage. The EVF alone makes tracking subjects effortless. No major downsides. Just make sure you need these pro features. If you're ready to level up your work, check out the Nikon Z6 III. Hit the link below for more details and pricing. Thanks for watching. Let me know your questions in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews. See you in the next unboxing. Happy shooting!